Well, I don't even know what I'm looking at, to be honest. Some weird business. So here's our new unit. I can confirm it is the right one. So we've got the terminal and the plug here, terminal and the plug here. They're in the same shape. Everything else is good. I'm happy with it. But I think this might be our problem. This here is some very, very, very dodgy at-home work by someone who doesn't know very much about what he's doing. Here's the new one, and that's where it's hooked into. That is not a plug. That is wiring hanging off the inside of the alternator, and for some reason somebody has decided it was a good idea to solder this into the back of that, which could be our entire short circuit problem. But trying to figure out where it goes, I still don't know where it goes, but we're here and we're down here, and it actually goes into this big one here, which leads there into this rat nest somewhere. So that could be the entire reason why we had a short circuit in the first place. I will not be reinstalling whatever that is, and when we find out what it was actually running, we'll hook it up properly. But that is a fire waiting to happen. That is absolutely ridiculous. So please, for the love of God, I know it's expensive, but if you're going to put stuff on your car, pay someone qualified to do it properly the first time, so that you don't have situations where heavy duty cables on the battery negative are melting down, because if that lasted longer, then that would have absolutely caused a fire. And who knows what's going on in here, like, Jesus.